In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to customize your homepage with Page, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and select Add New. Here first enter your page title as Home, then your homepage content. Now click on Add Media button, select your media file, and click on Insert into Page button. Once done, click on Publish button. Then go to Settings and select Reading. From here, in your homepage displays, select a static page. Then in your homepage, select your new homepage and click on Save Changes. Now go to Visit Site from Demo, and here you can see your homepage has been updated. This is because we have updated it in the homepage displays. Now go to Pages and select All Pages. Here also you can see that Home is your front page. Click on View to open it. So this is your default homepage. Now go to Settings, and again select Reading. Whatever page you select here in your homepage displays will become your front page on your site. So this is how you can customize your homepage with Pages. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.